Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Rustom G new launch project located in R.A. Kidwai Road, Shivri, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project, right in front of the actual land parcel where the project will be constructed. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1.5 acres that will have one tower with 2 wings of basement, ground plus 7 levels of parking plus 27 residential floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located opposite to Arab Restaurant Shivri, from where Atal Setu is at a distance of 2 minutes, Eastern Freeway is at a distance of 3 minutes, upcoming Worldly Shivri Connector is at a distance of 3 minutes, and you have Shivri Railway Station at a distance of 5 minutes from the project. Also, this project has 30 plus amenities with clubhouse, gym, lush landscape garden, energetic outdoor arena, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configurations and carpet area, as said, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 800 plus square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1050 to 1350 square feet. Let's now talk about the booking process. The booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 5 lakhs for 2 BHK and 3 BHK. This EOI will come with multiple benefits like preference in inventory selection, which means the token holders will be called first to select the preferable flat at the time of the launch, and 100% refundable, which means the token will be 100% refundable if the client doesn't want to proceed for any reason. So everyone, this was the teaser of Rustom G new launch project located in R.A. Kidwai Road, Shivri, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.